Are you looking for the best Wi-Fi video doorbells in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best Wi-Fi video doorbells that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5 we have the Zmodo Smart Greet Wi-Fi Video Doorbell. The Zmodo bell is designed from high-quality materials and lasts for a while due to the impermeable structure. You do not have to worry about rain or wind. It has a pronounced utility for the night vision, which makes it possible to understand what happens day and night outside your entrance. Including the IR work, you open the application and set the PIR warning. This allows the device to check the assigned areas and guide caution to your smartphone to ensure your home is protected. Moving on, at number 4 we have the Ring Wi-Fi enabled video doorbell. Its main task is to reduce misconduct in the areas. This wireless doorbell from Ring is equipped with the latest innovation to protect your family and your home from criminals, intruders and unwanted visitors. With wireless availability, you can answer the entrance from any location. It makes no difference whether you are on a trip around the world or too busy to even consider going to the entrance. With this doorbell you can see, hear and address your guests. At number 3 we have the NETVUE Wi-Fi Video Doorbells. The NETVUE ViewBell wireless video doorbell features two-way voice calling that allows mortgage owners to easily talk to their visitors. The edge confinement of 185 degrees horizontally and 120 degrees vertically is considered sufficient to see the visitors, including the foundation. Unmistakably, it is powered by a large focal point and uses an infrared innovation that ensures clear visibility at all times of the day and night. To take it to the next level, coordinating this video doorbell with Alexa is another incredible utility. Greater than the amazing picture quality and accommodations associated with this video doorbell have generated energy for many customers. At number 2, we have the wireless video doorbell. The main bell is waterproof and offers absolute perfection. It is one of the best doorbell bells on the market. It comes with a two-way sound capacity and a PIR motion detection framework that communicates something specific when motion is detected in your entrance area. The night vision mode switches automatically when it gets dark. This guarantees that you will receive a similar type of administration day and night. The charge for interiors, which accompanies 50 different informed decisions, is a practical component that enhances the customer's accommodation. If you are looking for decent quality and very good picture quality, you will not look any further. And finally, at number 1, we have the HaoXuan DianZi wireless video doorbell. This sharp, wireless video doorbell features many handy features that enhance ease of use. It has a two-way sound utility and night vision frame to ensure smooth correspondence and observation. One of the most notable highlights of this video doorbell framework is its low-power innovation, which guarantees you more than half a year of incessant housekeeping without overriding the batteries. Property owners get up to 170-degree edge on a 720 HD video gate. With each of the highlights and the elite you get with this video doorbell device, though it still has some big drawbacks that are hard to beat. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.